recording now? Okay, I am. Yeah. So there's no kidding. Oh my gosh. Look at this nose. Do it. I did not take. Can you cover my hand? How about this one? Holding me. So, we're just watching and and yeah, Colorado, Nevada specifically, and there's a little path for us to walk in. I'm kind of cold. You regret it now? No. So I needed chocolate. We're gonna wait till 7-Eleven or Walgreens, and how the hell are we gonna close? Oh my god. No, let's do it. Let's do this. Let's see. Oh wait. No. So yeah. Look how deep it is. It's almost knee high. And I'm blinded by the whiteness. I'm blinded by my hair. Look. So that's me. And we're gonna buy some.
Oh, we fall together.
Yeah. We're gonna go to Walgreens and buy me something. I have $15 in my pocket, and I'm really blinded. I can't see.
Right here.
Look at that. She's a funny looking girl. Go on. I told you to put on my car.
I am wearing it.
The other one. That one I found somewhere. So it's not me. So we're somehow supposed to cross this. There she goes. Jump! And now me.
I should tape you. Oh, I did it.
No problem.
Let's run. Let's race. You and me. Una. No. Me metió ni en el zapato. Huh? Walgreens.
Let's go to Walgreens.
Take your phone.
Wait. Gotta record this. Oh, I kept covering it with my hand. Can you cover my hand? Thank you. Okay, so right now we're crossing the pathway to get to 7-Eleven. Is it already inside? I told you to put double socks. For real? I have some special socks that
have special socks.
But I don't know what my socks are, but like there's this space for every toe.
So they're toe socks. FYI.
Well, I have some toe socks and socks, not stuck. Toe socks? I don't suck toes.
You know what I do.
Ew.
To you. Oh, you do to me.
I don't do nothing to you. So So this is my house's 7-Eleven. It's pretty close, but we've decided to go to Walgreens instead. And maybe get me some nail polish. Because
your nails are yellow.
I know. But we're gonna go over there. And huh? Cómete uno.
No.
So how are we gonna cross this? Oh, there's the car. Yeah. So we can make some like snow angels or something right when we get on the other side of the road. Oh, the pets are looking at us.
Ah, please. Are they pulling over that guy?
Which guy? No, they're not.
There they are.
Which guy?
That van.
Oh. Uh-oh.
They just pulled over that van.
I wonder what happened. You're gonna get your freaking... Look, let's cross over there. No, let's wait.
There's
Yeah. So that guy just pulled over, and I wish I could zoom this in, but I can't. Because my phone is like that. But, oh, and it's a girl, a police girl.
So they're more mean.
I know. So
Not police are
let's now cross this small falls. Come on. And if I fall, oh well. Look at her. Let's see her fall. Look, want me to cross over there? I'll cross the whole white stuff. And let's see how. Hi.
Why are there seagulls in the snow?
What's that?
Seagulls.
Oh. This is cheaper.
What if I fall? Here.
So the snow was all the way up to my knees. That's also pretty amazing. This girl is falling already. Oh my gosh. Come on, babe.
Girl has a name. FYI.
Wow. That reminds me of Harry Potter. When they're about to kill I forgot his name. Buckbeak.
But it wasn't snowing.
But the sound of the birds, oh, everybody knows that. Every day I'm Dumbledore. Dumbledore. That's what I have. More plowing cars, yet they don't do anything.
Plowing?
What did I say?
More plowing cars, yet they don't do anything.
I said plowing. You plow the snow? Isn't that the word? Oh, he didn't smile at me. And I smiled. What a jerk. I hate jerks. They're so rude. So how long do we usually take from our house to get over here?
I don't know, like 15 minutes.
Not 15.
10?
I go to 7-Eleven in 3 minutes.
10?
Yeah. No, like 5. Like 7 minutes. No, like 6 minutes for me. It's a 5-speed walk. And so far, we've been going at it for 10 minutes. That shows how...
It'll take a while, because, you know, tiene que estar llena.
Pues ellos son muy lentos.
Yeah.
So this is Walgreens. And We're gonna go look inside and see what we have for me, please. Because
Sorry, girl.
I'm hungry. And there's this charger thing. What is this? I think this is to put like gas or something. Station name in Nevada. So it's for like gas or something. And maybe charge your cars. You know how cars have batteries? What? Sit there. Sit there. Let me take a picture of you sitting. You're gonna wet your booty. Let's go. And we got to Walgreens. We'll see what we can do inside.